Hello, I'm David Nafria and I work for Itacil. Itacil is a public technical and research institute in Spain, based in Castilla y León region. And we participate in the Guardian project with our software called Sativum. Sativum is a web platform that allows the farmers to have direct access to Earth observation data, satellite data about the parcels, and also manage the nutrients and have like a nutrient budget of the parcels. The tool is linked with the government databases. Farmers can download the data from the CAP database and can record all the tasks, not only the fertilizer applications, also all the tasks performed in the farm, like harvest, phytosanitary products application, and so on. And those records could be sent back to the government if the farmer wants to. During the Guardian project, we've been focusing in adapting the tool towards other areas where the tool was not originally developed, more towards more oceanic climate, more grassland, and taking into account some of the cases of some of the pilots in the other partners of the project. The tool is free. Anybody can register themselves with an email, and it's operational in all over Spain. But we are also having new users from, for instance, in Italy and Germany. The tool doesn't have much data in those areas, but the core is based in Earth observation data. So some of those users outside Spain are taking advantage of the interface to produce variable rate application maps. That is a very easy to use interface, can produce those maps to be loaded in the machines, in the tractors. So we are starting to have many users outside Spain just because of that functionality.
Hi everyone, my name is Alejandro Vergara and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Others. This is a platform that allows farmers to take climate action by empowering them with data. Looking into the Guardians project, what we are doing here is working with apple orchard producers, collecting data from different spaces of the farm, but also through satellite imagery and remote sensing technologies, so that we can quantify their carbon footprint and biodiversity footprint. Understanding this baseline allows us to determine the most techno-economical strategies that they can implement in their farms. What would be the impact of changing fertilizers, and what would be the cost or saving of it? What would be the change if I reduce my machinery usage? How much it would save me? How much am I contributing to the climate? All of this inside the framework there is the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive and Science-Based Targets Initiative, so that they can access different initiatives that are over there and helping them in the three pillars of sustainability, on the environmental part, on the social part, but also on the economical side. We are really glad to be part of the Guardians project. We have been co-creating and co-developing our technology with them, which is very valuable for us, as at the end, the farmer is the one that matters the most in this speech, and that we are creating the technologies for them.
Hello, my name is František Kumhala and I am from the Faculty of Engineering at the Czech University of Life Sciences Prague. Our faculty has been a part of the Czech University of Life Sciences since 1952. It was from the founding of the university, and today we are focusing on bringing cutting-edge technologies like remote sensing and robotics into everyday agriculture practice. As a part of Guardians projects, we have developed a solution which combines aerial drone imaging and artificial intelligence to detect ungrazed patches on pastures, areas that need moving after the grazing by cattle. We have tested this in real world in farms in Spain and also in the Czech Republic, and even in challenging terrain, the system performs reliably. Interestingly, also one of the Czech pilot farms, ZD Květná, now use the drone not just for pasture monitoring, but also to check the conditions of crop like rapeseed and potatoes. And it is possible to say that right now the technology is surprisingly user-friendly. Even a farmer with no prior drone experience was able to operate it after just 1 week of basic training, consultation with the seller and reading user manual. I think that the future of precision agriculture is not only high technology, it's also highly accessible right now, also for small farmers.
My name is Claudio Rossi and I work at Links Foundation as a program manager and senior researcher on AI data and space technologies. Farming today faces tough challenges: water shortages, unpredictable weather, and increasing threats from plant diseases. But what if you could manage all of this right from your phone? Discover Serere, crop ecosystemic resilience through environmental resource efficiency, a smart decision support system developed within the EU-funded Guardians project. Serere helps farmers take full control of their crops with science, AI, satellite and IoT data on their side. With Serere you can know exactly when and how much to irrigate, saving water and money, get daily alerts for disease risks like mycotoxins or botrytis, monitor plant health remotely using satellite imagery, and stay ahead of the weather thanks to short-term forecast and local station data. Accessible to any device, Serere's interface is built for the field. It merges traditional farming with precision agriculture, helping you act faster, farm smarter, and grow more sustainably. Stay tuned on the Guardians website to learn more and see what's coming next.
Hello, my name is Simona Saudikis and I come from a Lithuania company called Betavia. I'm the tech lead and a senior project manager. Today I would like to present our system called SwarmSense. So it's a beehive monitoring system which allows real-time decision making. So the technology consists of the sensors that we monitor the beehives internally and externally, and we have a software where the data is visualized for the end user. So the software also consists of the alert and notification system for the end user to make fast interactions or preventive measures to the beehives. So it's very user-friendly. Anyone can install it in the beehives, and the main benefits is to harvest more from the beehives without intrusion by the farmer. The other benefits is that we know in real time whether the predators like mice, wasp, or other things happening in the beehive in real time, and the end user can monitor the health of the bees via the dashboard on the desktop or on the mobile app, and it can be accessed remotely via the internet connection anywhere in the world.
Hi, I'm Sarah, CEO and co-founder of Flux. Flux is a wildlife intelligence technology company, and we are on a mission to create a world where humans and wildlife coexist. So we develop solutions that help manage wildlife and keep them away from all the areas where they are not supposed to be. So in the Guardians projects, we are focusing on using the tech to protect crops or vineyards and even livestock. So our solution is giving drones the ability to act like digital sheepdogs, so they can detect and deter wildlife like deer, boars or birds away from the crops and maximize the production on the fields we have. And this is priced as a service, so we are making the technology accessible to any farmer, no matter the size, and giving them also the ability to only pay for the service when they have the most damage.
Hello, my name is Kika and I work at CETIC Technological Center. We are a research and innovation center at the north of Spain in the region of Asturias, and we work mainly bringing digital solutions to organizations, administration and of course to society. At the Guardians project at CETIC, we are working developing a technological solution that we call the EcoWar Sniffer. This technology wants to tackle a critical issue for the agro-livestock sector, the greenhouse gas emission. With the evolving legislation about environmental questions, farmers need to report the emission and demonstrate reduction strategies in these questions. So that's why we are working in this technology. This monitoring platform is designed specifically for the stables and other livestock indoor structures. It's a system that represents a significant step beyond current approaches. Our platform is engineered to be low cost, low consumption, and easily replicable. It measures carbon dioxide and also methane in real time, and it provides a very useful insight for farmers to have a real analysis and also a good visualization of all the data.
Hello, my name is Andreas Englund and I'm a business developer at IVL, Swedish Environmental Institute. I will talk about farming and biodiversity. Biodiversity both above and below ground are affecting all farming. Therefore, IVL are now developing a new method, the Genetic Biodiversity Service, where we use eDNA, environmental DNA, to assess biodiversity. This is a more cost-efficient method than doing traditional inventory methods, and we are focusing on natural or semi-natural grassing in the Guardians project, where we use this method to identify vascular plants that are indicating that this is a semi-natural grassing area. And in the future, we might be able to use the technology for also soil health, but that requires more research.
Hello, my name is Emilio Pereñas. I'm a blockchain researcher at CTI Technology Center, and my job consists in how to apply this new technology to real-world use cases. In this case, we are working in the Guardians project with food traceability. Concretely, we are working with Casa Bartuelo, a small family-owned farm which produces and cuts and sells directly to the consumer their own beef. So what we do is to apply blockchain technology as a way to certify the full traceability of the cows since their birth until they roam in the pastures, until they are converted into the final beef that reaches the table of the consumers. Doing this, we empower these small family-owned businesses to sell how sustainable are their practices and how they are the backbone of the rural territories, because without the farmers, the territories wouldn't exist. So we should support them both financially, consuming their products, and with the technology and our efforts.